Here's the government spokesperson A saying that Kolkata, according to the BJP, Mamta Banerjee does not have any discussion, dialogue, debate with the opposition. She runs a one-woman show. She runs what they seem to see as an authoritarian regime. And B, they're saying they're open to discussing all issues.
No, they have called a 3-day session in Bengal. Please
Rajdeep, can we finish? Rajdeep, can I finish? Can I
please
speak?
Let her respond.
Hello? Yeah,
yes.
yeah, okay. So, Rajdeep, the
yes.
question is,
yes.
either the question is not whether you have a 3-day session, a 30-day session, or a 3-month session. The question is what defines an integral part of any parliamentary session. The right of the opposition, whether we are calling a session for 3 days, for 5 days, or for 7 days, the question now, the right of the opposition to ask questions still remains. That is what is integral. It is not the question of time. As far as this parliamentary session is concerned, because we are working Saturdays and Sundays, and it's not a 3-week session, it's exactly a 2-week session. It's from the 14th of September, and the first day is only an hour, till the 30th, till the 1st of October. So it's exactly 2 weeks. It's not 3 weeks. Since we are working Saturdays and Sundays, it pretty much comes to 6 hours. The total time of the session is not curtailed. Given that, this question hour is the only time when a minister stands up and is accountable, and because you have the right to ask supplementary questions, you can actually ask a straight question to a minister of the government and get an answer. Written questions are prepared by the departments, and have almost never give straight answers. That's the first. The second thing, when he talks of short duration questions and discussions, it makes me laugh, because I have almost 100% attendance in Parliament since I've become a member of the Lok Sabha, and I can't remember, I think, more than 1 or 2 short duration discussions that we've had, and that too after so much of yelling and screaming by the opposition. It almost comes down to a bargaining arrangement where the speaker's like, all right, I'll allow you 30-minute discussion. So the question of this being an open forum where we can go in and have short duration questions, as far as 0 hour is concerned, you have rarely more than 30 to 60 seconds to bring up an issue. There is almost nobody in the Treasury benches when we bring it up, and they are under no obligation to return, to sort of respond. So the only chance that the opposition, as well as the people of India through their representatives, please understand, the BJP has come to power with 37% of the popular mandate. So there are people who have voted in opposition parties, and we are representing those people. And these are very valid questions. The last 6 months, we have had absolutely no accountability, whether it's the migrant crisis, whether it's the handling of COVID, whether it is the lack of internet in Jammu and Kashmir. Yeah. Tell me.
How do you respond to the opposition how do you respond to the government which says that Mamta Banerjee in Bengal practices the same brand of politics, that she also doesn't give the opposition a voice? That's one of the charges that they're making, that the Trinamool Congress is being hypocritical, to use the words of GVL Narasimha Rao.
No, 3 days. 3 days versus 3 weeks.
I'm not sure about, it's not 3 weeks, Mr. Rao. Please do not keep repeating a lie often enough that it becomes a truth.
No, madam,
it is not 17 days. It is not 17 days. Please,
including
it is not
Saturdays,
17 days.
Sundays.
Please listen to me. It is not 3 weeks. Anyway, I'm speaking through the anchor, Rajdeep. Number one. So the second thing is, I was a member of the West Bengal Legislative Assembly before I became a member of Parliament. We had question hour every single day. There is no question of course, we have a majority in the West Bengal Assembly, but there is no question of there being a single day where there was no question hour. So I don't know where you've got your fact checking. The problem with the BJP is they outsource their fact checking to these junior interns who sit in an IT cell, and very often they feed wrong information, sir. And I request you, sir, I was a member of the Legislative Assembly. I can tell you on record.
Rajdeep,
we have never had a situation where there's been no question hour. I'm telling you on record, I was an ML.
I think... Okay, you made your point. GVL Narasimha Rao, just a minute. GVL, just a minute. What I want to ask you is, there's a sense that because of when Mr. Modi was Chief Minister of Gujarat, there was a sense that a number of debates would not take place, assembly sessions would get truncated, the Prime Minister doesn't have press conferences. The general impression is that when it comes to contentious issues beyond the point, the government doesn't want to entertain any alternate opinion. It has happened in Gujarat when Mr. Modi was Chief Minister. Now it's being brought to Parliament, and you are using the strongman image of the Prime Minister to crush all opposition voices, and not allowing question hour is one of those means. That's the concern, that the government is not serious about parliamentary debate.
No, Rajdeep, this is nothing but propaganda unleashed by people who are opposed to the BJP. And unfortunately, you are only carrying that forward. The reality is this government and every session was open to discuss.
I'm only telling you what the opposition says.
No, but this is propaganda. What the opposition does is propaganda. I've just called out the hypocrisy of the Trinamool Congress. 3-day session in Kolkata is great celebration of democracy, and 17 days sittings in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha is not is murdering democracy. This is a logic that no viewer will understand. Number two, as I said, you see, one party cannot decide or dictate. And this is a joint decision, and eventually it is the presiding officers of the Lok Sabha, the Speaker and the Chairman of the Rajya Sabha who have the final say in all these matters. I believe they have taken a decision to supply written answers. So obviously any information that you would like to get from the government will be available in the form of written answers. And as far as short duration discussions are concerned,
so written answers may not be the same as allowing cross questions, but
Minister replies to each of the discussions. They sometimes speak for more than half an hour, give all aspects of the questions that are raised by the opposition members.